Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I'm going to walk you through how to send multilingual WhatsApp messages in Klaviyo using our Smart Translations feature. Smart Translations lets marketers save time and simplify workflows by sending one multilingual campaign and building one multilingual flow instead of managing multiple language versions or using complicated flow branching. Smart Translations makes it easier to reach your subscribers in their preferred language, helping you drive engagement, conversions, and ultimately marketing ROI. In this video, we'll cover what you need before getting started, how to create a multilingual WhatsApp template, editing your multilingual template after it's been translated, submitting your template for review, and some closing thoughts and next steps. Before we get into it, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content like this. Before we start, make sure the Smart Translations feature is enabled in your account and that you're happy with the property that will be used to determine a profile's preferred language. This can be configured from your account settings. Head to the Account tab and then click Translation. One thing to note is that this feature is only available if you have a paid Klaviyo plan. So if you're on a free plan, you won't see the translation page. With that, let's create our first multilingual WhatsApp template together. From the main menu, select Content, then Templates. Click on Create, then select WhatsApp. Give your template an internal name that'll make it easy to recognize later. Select the original language of your WhatsApp template from the dropdown. Then choose your message intent. For this example, select Marketing Template. When you're ready, click Create to open the template builder. Once you're in the template builder, you'll have the possibility of either creating a single rich card message or a message with a carousel of media cards. Let's go with a single rich card template and start building our message. Today, we'll focus on the Smart Translations feature. If you need detailed instructions on how to create a WhatsApp template, head to our Help Center. Once your message is ready in your original template, click on the Translate button. You'll see this translation modal pop up. Start by letting Klaviyo know the original language that the content was created in. In my case, that's English. Then, select what languages you want to translate your template into. By default, this will include any languages you set up in your account settings. You can add or remove languages by selecting them from the dropdown. I'll select Spanish and French. Finally, double-check the fallback language, which will be shown to any recipients whose preferred language is unknown or not selected. Klaviyo populates this for you based on your account settings, but you can change it if needed. When you're ready, click on Translate. Klaviyo will get to work and provide a machine translation of your template in the languages you selected. The great part is you can review all the translations to make sure everything's up to your standards. Let's make some changes to our Spanish template to make the copy sound more natural. Select the language you want to review by using the arrows, or selecting it from the dropdown. For shorter text blocks, you can edit the text field directly. For longer text blocks, click on the pencil icon to make your edits. Once you're done, click the back arrow to continue reviewing your template. As you make edits, you can see a preview of your template in real time. Let's also make sure to review images and links, as these are not automatically translated. I'm going to change my link to send people to the Spanish version of my website. make sure to review all the language variations. Then click Done once you're ready. If for any reason you need to make an update to the original copy after it's been translated, that's okay. For example, I want to add some opt-out language in the footer to make it easier for my subscribers to opt out instead of blocking or reporting my number. As you make edits to your original template, you will see a warning show up to review your translations. The part that needs reviewing will be highlighted to make it easier for you to take action. You can either request a retranslation or manually edit the block. Now that my translations are ready, let's preview my campaign. Here, I can see that this profile, which is an English speaker, sees the template in English, while this Spanish-speaking profile will see the template in Spanish, and this French-speaking profile will see the template in French, and finally, this German-speaking profile will see the template in English, because that's the fallback language. Once you're happy with the template, you can submit your template for review. All WhatsApp templates must be approved by Meta before you can send them. This approval process can take up to 24 hours when you're new to WhatsApp, but as you build your sender reputation, it can take as little as a few minutes. Once you've created your multilingual WhatsApp template, you can add it to a campaign or flow, and Klaviyo will automatically deliver the right version to each recipient in their preferred language. Remember, though, that your campaign or flow won't actually deliver until your template is approved by Meta. Now it's your turn. Start using Smart Translations to communicate with your subscribers in their preferred language today. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to more resources to help you learn and grow with Klaviyo.